Morning students, in continuation of the previous video, we will continue this video, page number 78. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawing very carefully. All the houses had wreath. Wreath means a decorative arrangement of flowers. And holly. Holly means an evergreen shrub used for decoration. In the windows outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked, arranged one on top of the other, and in the window candy, peppermint sticks and cornucopias of shiny transparent paper were strung. The air smelled like Christmas, and light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Now they were returning from the school. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy saw drawings very carefully. All the houses were decorated and windows were also decorated with decorated flowers. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked there, arranged there, and the air smelled like Christmas, and it seemed as if that was the festival of Christmas, and light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Why, said Peggy, this shows that she really likes us. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right, and that is that. Now, Peggy said to the boys, it shows that she really likes us. It shows she got our letter. It seems that she had received our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. But Maddie was sad, and he also said, I hope so. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl. Who is the Polish girl? Wanda, yes. Now they hoped that they would not be able to see that Polish girl, Wanda, and couldn't ever really make things right between them. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. And now she took her drawing and she hung it in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. And now that looks very beautiful. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at her drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway, and she was thinking only about Wanda and Wanda's drawing. Tears blurred her eyes, and she gazed for a long time at the picture. She looked towards the picture for a long time, then hastily, she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors of the dress were so vivid. Vivid means bright color, deep, that she had hardly noticed the face and head of the drawing. She didn't see the face and head of the drawing, but it looked like her Maddie. It was her face. It really looked like her own mouth. Why, it really looked like her own self. Wanda had really drawn for this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. After seeing it, she became so much excited. She ran to Peggy. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What is the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered, made continuous loud noises up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it to see the face of the picture. Look, she drew you. That's you. And now she said, Maddie said to Peggy that she drew you, that is your face. And the head and face of the picture did look like Peggy. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. I ask you that she liked us. Yes, she must have, agreed Mary, and she blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly showing little emotion over at the group of laughing girls after she had walked off. After she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up, and now she believed that surely she had 100 dresses and all lined up. So, students, I think you are able to understand this story. Thank you, students.